This tutorial is produced by the Mecklenburg County Clerk of Superior Court, Estates Division. While our office cannot provide legal advice, we are happy to help you navigate the estates administration process. This video will provide a step-by-step guide to completing the Appointment of Resident Process Agent form, AOC-E-500. First, let's define some of the terms used in this tutorial with which you may not be familiar. Decedent, a person who has died. Personal representative, a person who has been appointed to administer an estate. This term may refer to an executor, an administrator, or an administrator CTA. What is the purpose of this form? A person who is not a North Carolina resident is disqualified from serving as a personal representative unless there has been an in-state resident appointed to serve as the personal representative's resident process agent. The resident process agent will accept for the personal representative all correspondence from the court, including service of process by certified mail or sheriff, if that correspondence cannot be delivered directly to the personal representative, or if the court cannot obtain proof that the correspondence was delivered to the personal representative. The resident process agent also agrees to notify the personal representative of any such correspondence that he or she has received on the personal representative's behalf. The Appointment of Resident Process Agent form provides the court with proof of the resident process agent's agreement to accept this responsibility. How to complete the Appointment of Resident Process Agent form. Enter the name of the county where this form will be filed. Enter the decedent's name. Enter the name, street address, P.O. Box if applicable, city, state, and zip code of the person who will serve as the resident process agent. Also provide the process agent's telephone number and county of residence. Include the date, then print and sign your name as the personal representative. Forward the form to the resident process agent who will sign under the Acceptance of Appointment section. This signature portion must be left blank until the signature is witnessed by a person who is authorized to administer oaths. This is typically a notary public. When the form has been completed, the resident process agent may return the form to the personal representative so that it may be submitted with the rest of the personal representative's paperwork. If the personal representative's other paperwork has already been submitted to the clerk's office, then the resident process agent may either bring the form to the Mecklenburg County Courthouse and drop it off, or mail the form to the following address: Clerk of Superior Court, Estates Division, P.O. Box 37971, Charlotte, North Carolina 28237. I hope this information has been helpful. We look forward to assisting you.